Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming accounts and permissions so the link works smoothly. Open Spotify and make sure you're logged into the account you want to share. Then open Instagram. Once done, grant any permission prompts. Instagram needs access to link external apps. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version to avoid feature limitations, and switch to the same device profile if you use multiple phones. This prevents mismatched accounts and speeds up the linking process when you move to the next step. Now you'll perform the connection within Instagram. Go to your profile, tap Settings, then Account, and choose Sharing to Other Apps. Select Spotify. You'll see an authorization screen from Spotify. Read the permissions and tap Authorize to allow Instagram access to your Spotify account. Once authorized, choose what will be shared, tracks, artists, or playlists, and confirm the default sharing behavior. Make sure to pick the correct Spotify account if multiple are available, because changing later may require repeating authorization. Finish by testing the link. Create an Instagram story or edit your profile. Use the Spotify music sticker or add music feature to embed a track or playlist. Tap the Spotify icon to confirm playback and visible artwork. If the connection fails, reauthorize Spotify from Instagram settings, right arrow account, right arrow sharing to other apps, and log out / in both apps. Also check regional licensing and privacy settings. Some tracks or features are restricted by country or by private Spotify accounts, which often causes playback or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.